Oh, we're talking to Auntie Lauren on the phone. What do you think? Yeah. Oh, he's got something to say. Remember? I swear he's talking. He's probably talking in his sleep when we're sleeping and we don't know it. Oh, and I swear he smiled, but everybody says it's gas. It's a smile. I'm just choosing to believe that it's a smile. Hey, buddy. Hi. Godiva?